Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make full responsive navbar. Let's make it. First we need is create index.html file. Index.html. Okay, let's make it quickly. Let's write navbar. Yep, perfect. Now we must have source folder. In source folder we need CSS folder, like img folder, JS folder, and we need SVG folder for our icons. Okay, perfect. Let's create CSS style file. It will be styles.css, and JS file. It will be menu.js. Okay, let's connect it. After title, write link, and in href /crc css style css. Okay, and under closing tag body we need to connect our JS file. Let's write script src /src js menu.js. Okay, as well. Let's create our index code. First we need its main tag. We'll class, it will be background.img. In main we need div. It will be class header background. Okay, in header we need header tag. It's class header, and I think we can add container. Okay, I think it will be better. Yeah. After we need our div and a class, a tag. Hashtag, it will be logo. Div, it will be class like logo wrapper, and it will be logo just. Okay, let's test it, how it's working now. Yeah, perfect. You can see our logo. I think we can make like this. Okay, perfect. And after this div, after under closing tag header, we need create nav tag with class nav. It will be our other pages, links. It's a hashtag. First, I think it will be home, about, services, and I think location. Okay, yeah, perfect, it's working. I think now we can add some styles. Yeah, okay, let's add in some styles, but first we need to download our background image and icons. Link will be in description. You can download or change other image what you want. Let's download it, and let's download our icons. I think it will be good. Let's change iOS, download. Let's take it 30 to 30 custom size. Okay, 50 to 50 is will be good. Download. Yep. Oh no, but not PNG. We want SVG file. Check SVG. Okay, and download. Yes, and delete it, and close. Close iOS. We need, yes, this one. Perfect. Click iOS. Download. Check only SVG. Because PNG is low quality, we need SVG files. Download. Yes, perfect, it's working. Let's paste it in our folders. img, it will be this one, and SVG, it's menu, and close. Or you can just copy from source code from GitHub. Link will be in description too, like download from my code. Okay, let's change names. Close, it will be just close. This will be just close, and menu it will be open. It will be just background. Okay, perfect. Let's make it like this. Okay, first I think we need to reset our margins. It will be body, HTML, comma, H1, comma, H2, H3, 4, H5, H6. So it will be P tag, div tag, A tag. Okay, that's right. Margin 0 and padding 0. You can see we don't have margins. Let's delete our text decoration from A tag. So it'll be A, open, text decoration none. Perfect. But the first I think we can, first class is background image. Let's style it, background image. It will be background image, linear gradient, RGBA, 0.0.0.0.0.6. It will be 100%. Okay, copy it from top and down and bottom. Let's add comma, URL, and our background image. Okay, perfect. You can see it here. Let's add some styles for height, width. Okay, let's add background color. It will be RGB 34. I think it's just 34, it will be good. Let's add background size. It will be cover. You can see quality image is better now. Let's add background position. It will be center. And let's add some width. It will be max width 2560. It's like 4K. Okay, and let's add height 800. Perfect, awesome. And margin 0 after for centering our element. Let's test it. Like 0, mobile, desktop. Perfect, it's working. Now we can, I think first we need container classes. Styles for our container. It will be width 80%, max width. It will be 1440 pixels, and margin 0 outer for centering, because without margin it will be like this. Let's add some styles for our header class. It will be display flex. Justify content, yes, it will be justify content space between, and padding 30, I think it will be cool. Awesome. But without padding, with padding it will be cool. Let's change our colors for logo and our pages links. It will be nav in nav A tag. It will be margin right, margin right. It will be 40 pixels. Awesome. And it will be color, I think white. Awesome. But you can see margin right is working, but we don't need it in last child because it's not looking good. I think we can delete margin right for last child. It will be last child, margin right just 0. Yes, perfect, awesome. Let's add some hover, nav a hover, and it will be white, color white, and we can make it like this. Yes, perfect. We can add some transition. Transition all 150 millisecond, easy and out. Awesome. Let's add some styles for our logo. It will be color white. Okay, and I think we can add transition for logo too. And in hover, I'm sorry, when I will hover our logo, we'll have this color. Awesome, I like it. And we can add some backdrop filter. Yes, it will be dot header background, or yes, header background. It will be backdrop filter. This one, blur 6 pixels. Awesome. It will be 80 pixels. But it's just the desktop version. Let's make our mobile version. Okay guys, let's add media queries for mobile screens. It will be media screen and max width 86767 pixels, and header, comma, header background. It will be display none. Perfect. It's not showing in small screens. Let's start making mobile version. Mob version. Under closing main tag. I think it will be better writing mob. Okay. We need div with class mob menu. In div we need our img. Src it will be src svg open. Perfect. Now we can open svg. Under this img we need to create one more div too, which will be class mobile wrapper, and add close for JS for future. And for img we can add class, it will be mob open. Perfect. In this wrapper we can write we can paste close svg2, it will be src svg close. Yeah, perfect. It will be close svg. And after we can write our mobile list, pages list. It will be div mob list. A tag, href hashtag, class, it will be mob list item. First it will be logo, and this one, it will be home, about, services, and location. Awesome. Now we can start adding styles for our mobile version. First we need to change size for our switches because it's looking too big. It will be mob open, comma, dot mob close. It will be width 30 and height 30 pixels. But why it's not working? Mob open. Okay. And mob close. Yes, perfect. I think we can change this color because white will be looking better. Go to our SVG, open, and in fill we can add 3F, F. Yes, perfect. This will be white. Let's make it F. Let's add styles for our mobile open. It will be mob open. It will be position fixed. Right 25 pixels and top 15 pixels. Awesome. I like it. I think we can make it 30 pixels. Let's add some styles for our mob list. Mob list, it will be height 100%, width 35%, position fixed. Okay, and right will be 0. Awesome. Let's add display flex. Display flex, flex direction column, align items center, and justify content center. Awesome. Now we can add gap. It's like margin for display flex. It will be 45 pixels. And let's add background color. It will be 2D. Let's change our links color. It will be dot mob list item, color white. But logo, it's not page, it's just logo. We can add margin for logo. It will be first child, margin bottom 40 pixels. Awesome. And let's add some styles for closing icon because it's not looking good. Position fixed and right 15, top 15. Stop. It will be 35, 30. Okay, 30 pixels and 15 pixels. And let's add that index. It will be 5. Well, now we can write JS functions for opening and closing burger menu. Let's write const open will be document dot query selector, and it will be dot mob open, and let's write close. This will be mob close. Perfect. And we need wrapper. It will be document dot query selector dot mob wrapper. Okay, now we can write our event listener code. It will be open dot add event listener. It will be click, comma, function, wrapper dot toggle, just toggle. Okay, and open it. And same we need with close. Okay, and just copy this code for close. Let's check it, but for the first we need that dot class list for wrapper. Okay, because it will be changing our class names. Let's check it. Perfect. You can see here, close, opened, close, opened. Let's add some styles with opacity. It will be JS dot open it. It will be opacity 1 and close. It will be opacity 0. Perfect, it's working. And let's add some animation. But the first we need to add media queries because it's just for mobile and tablet. And max width 768 pixels dot mob menu. It will be display none. 767. Okay. Yes. I think okay. 768. Min width, not max. I'm so sorry. Yes, perfect. It's working. We can add some animation with keyframes. Let's write our keyframes. It will be animation. Add keyframes. Open animation. It will be 0% opacity 0 and 100% opacity will be 1. Let's copy it. For close animation, it will be close, opacity 1 to opacity 0. Okay. Let's add it. Animation, open anim 200 millisecond, easy and out. And same for closing, but close. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Good luck!